I'm running a startup and we are just a bunch of engineers and data scientists. When should I start thinking about hiring my first developer relations person?
So this is from this is from like a CRO who led billion-dollar companies multiple times, and this is a quote directly from him some time back. That the way that they look at Devrel, or the person looked at Devrel, is like someone who bootstraps the market for the particular company. So you put a Devrel before you put a marketing person, before you put a sales. So Devrel lands. It's like you land somebody on a flight, and then he sets up. He takes it back, unpacks everything, and then starts talking to people. Like starts giving pamphlets. Like it might look really, really weird, whatever the analogy that I'm giving, but that means that the devil would literally bootstrap the market for you to probably go and come and convert. They plant the seeds. So as early as better. So as much as you are trying to figure MVP, or you're trying to like even figure PMF, right? Like you think you're trying to figure what is my product market fit. Do the developers like my service? Do I need to change something on the API side? Do I need to add some more features? So all of that you could get it done by development, and it's in a very cost-effective manner rather than spending on ads or anything. You could directly go and spend as much as little, like get into the hands of people who are of course like working at some companies and have some good idea, and then so as much as like if you have the basic product ready, I would, if you have an API to sell to, hire a developer, like get content, get everything, so it's very advantageous.